Hi, students, and welcome to the week of October 26, 2020. This is a relatively short week for us, meaning we don't have a lot of work and it's really one story. So if you look at the screen right now, we're going to be reading Bile, and it's a short story by Christina Lee Zilka. And it covers a lot of stuff. It talks about the tone, and we know that the tone is the author's attitude. The tone creates an emotional response in the reader, and recognizing the tone helps you understand the author's meaning. Okay. Word choice conveys more than just information. It can also evoke an emotional response. There's figurative language in here, which helps create an image in the reader's mind. Details, or even lack of them, indicates what an author wants the reader to experience. So please pay attention to that. There's also sentence structure that can help the reader understand a character's mental state or also create a mood within the scene. And always we talk about theme, and we know that the theme is the message or messages about life a writer communicates throughout the story. So longer and more complex works of fiction may have multiple themes. A short story like Bao often has just one main theme, okay? So themes can also be interpreted in different ways by different readers. Um, One way a theme can be revealed is through a character's preoccupation with an action, idea, or concept. Okay, so just remember that as we're going through the bio. Here it is. It's several pages. There are some questions that we're going to be going through that I have. And instead of having you to just do it on the close readers because we don't have any new ones, I went ahead and just printed the questions up for you, and they're right here. I think I got a little excited and repeated number 4 and number 8. So they're basically the same thing. And then there are the vocabulary that we're going to have for this week. They are on vocabulary.com, so we'll be able to do hopefully a vocabulary jam on Thursday. I didn't write it on the board, but hopefully we'll have enough time to be able to do that. In preparing you all for some of the assessments coming up, I went ahead and I know I showed this to you last week, but we ran out of time and were unable to do it. So hopefully we'll get to it this week. And this just shows the different terminology that we need to know and the different standards that you all need to be able to tackle. And even if it doesn't say standard 1.1, you know what it means to cite textual evidence, how to go into the story and tell me what line the information comes from, about quoting and paraphrasing and all of that other stuff. And my goal is just to make sure you guys are prepared for your assessments coming up. I also have, I think it's just 5 little questions, 6, about finding the main idea. So we'll go over that together as a class and get you squared away with that. Other than that, I don't think I have anything else to show you. Everything you need is on Schoology in that first folder that we're going to be doing this week. So just try to keep your attendance up. Make sure you're punctual. And if you have any questions, just ask. And I'll see you this week.